You like your new home? What do you think? What do you think? Should we tell them what we did this week? Should we tell them what we've been working on? Yeah. Does anyone else just like let their dogs lick them in the mouth? Because we definitely do. Most people probably think that's gross, but we absolutely love it. So sorry about it. But anyways, welcome to this week's video. We have been working a lot on the bus and the house, kind of getting everything cleaned up and ready for kind of the next chapter of our lives, which is honestly super intimidating and kind of a little bit scary, but also really exciting. Rachel and I can't wait to just be on the road and be able to travel the country, you know, go visit friends and family that we haven't seen in what seems like forever. And yeah, like I said, just really start this next chapter of our lives, and especially with our babies. Binks is out here with me currently to help me show you what we've been working on for the last week. So we left you off on our last video installing our ceiling insulation. If you haven't checked out that video, definitely go check it out. Binks and I are gonna show you what we have been working on. Hey Binks, do you want to show them what we've been working on? Huh? So to start, we have installed some tongue and groove panels on our ceiling, which we are absolutely loving the way they look so far. They haven't been too hard to install, so that's been, you know, a huge relief. We still have all of this section back here to do, as well as some in the back, but we're making progress, and I'm gonna kind of show you what we've done to put these up. All right, so to start, we used pine double beaded tongue and groove planks. They're like 3.5 by 8 foot, and we got them at Home Depot. We loved the way they look, and we definitely really like plank ceilings and other Skoolies, so that's why we decided to go this route. We really like the natural color of the wood. It's a little bit lighter. That being said, we did not stain the wood. We just used a sealer. We decided to put the top coat on both sides of the boards, the front and the back, just to be safe. And then, so once that's dry, we can go ahead and put them up. And that is way easier with Rachel's help. But she's actually over in Denver right now, seeing one of her favorite bands at Red Rocks. So I'm super happy for her. I hope she's having an absolute blast, and I'm gonna keep working on this.
Hi guys, I'm heading up to Denver right now to go to a concert with my best friend. I'm really excited. It's gonna take about 5 hours to drive up there, so we're in for a long drive, but it's super worth it. We're going to Red Rocks tonight, and I absolutely hate saying goodbye to my babies, but that's why we're moving into a bus. Join me while I go to Red Rocks. We're heading to our friend Jeremy's house to get the rest of the crew, and then we'll be heading to Red Rocks. Hi! We'll meet you there.
right, so I actually ran out of the top coat yesterday for the planks, so I just ran to Home Depot today, and I'm gonna get back to putting some more up and hopefully finishing this front section. As you can see back here, we still have a bunch to do, but we have some other projects that we're working on currently too that kind of require that to be open for now, so I can access it. But yeah, I'm gonna start sealing some more and putting some more up. And there it is. We got the front section of the bus all finished. I might have to add like a little tiny strip right here. It's like a half a strip going across there, just to kind of make it even on both sides, but it's looking really good. We're pumped. I mean, there's nothing else to say. It's honestly looking a lot better than we thought it would. So yeah, we got the lights put in. They're looking pretty snazzy. But yeah, and then kind of the plan for the skylights is to put some sort of piece of wood kind of going along this, just to finish that off and hide all, you know, all the different pieces and stuff in there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out this week's video. If you like the video, definitely like and subscribe to our channel. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week.